Hi, this is James Kandasamy, author of the best-selling book Passive Investing in Commercial Real Estate. After I launched my book, I was so happy because this book has been sold paid copies more than 10,000 copies, and we have it in audiobook, we have it in Kindle, and we also have it in paperback. I want to also make sure that all of you know that I did launch a second book called The Smarter Doctors. Smarter Doctors, you work hard, make your money work harder. And this was launched a few months ago, even though I didn't do a big splash on it, but it's a very important book, especially for doctors who want to get into passive investing. And the reason I wrote this book is very simple. A lot of times doctors get bombarded with so many advertisements from financial advisors about stocks, mutual funds, bonds, and yield, and it's very hard to give them the information that I want to give them. So I wrote this book for all the doctors out there to pick it up and read it. It's an IP that you can get it from the Amazon, and you can read it and you can decide for yourself whether you want to invest passively. And keep in mind, a lot of my investors who are doctors told me that if they have found out about multifamily syndication and how they can invest passively, they would have started long time ago. But because of this big wall they have, now this book is available and they can read it and gauge it for themselves whether they want to invest in as a passive investors. So if you're a doctor, go and get this book. If you want to give this book as a gift to another doctor or any healthcare professional, any pharmacies or anybody in the healthcare business, go ahead and do so. Thank you so much, James Kandasamy, Achieve Investment Group.